Are you looking for a way to improve your health? If so, then you should put on your walking shoes after you eat. Research has found that walking after you eat a meal, particularly after you eat dinner, can do wonders for your health. Namely, it can help lower your blood sugar, bring down your triglycerides, speed up digestion, help you burn calories, and aid in weight loss, among other things. Medical experts have found that if you walk just 100 steps after you eat your dinner or any other meal, and you'll notice a huge improvement in your overall well-being. Digestion. Going for a quick walk after meals has been a ritual in many households, and it is believed that it helps in digesting the food easily, but does it actually help in faster digestion and improved metabolism? After you finish your meals, your body gets to work. It breaks down and absorbs the nutrients. A significant portion of the food breakdown or digestion takes place in the small intestine. Metabolism. If you find that you have a sluggish metabolism, then definitely you will benefit by adding walking to your day. However, there are a few things that you might also be doing that are working against you that you might not be aware of. One common thing dieters do that will slow the metabolism is cutting out too many calories and the wrong calories. Rapid diets often are all about cutting calories, and within a couple of days, a person's metabolism will slow right down. Lowers triglycerides. High levels of triglycerides, the fat particles that flow through the blood, are one of the leading causes of cardiovascular disease. Researchers have found that by walking after you consume a meal, you can actually help suppress the increase of triglyceride concentration after eating a meal that is high in fat. Get better sleep. Have trouble falling asleep at night? Start walking after you eat and you'll have an easier time drifting off to dreamland. Walking can help to reduce stress levels, and it also boosts circulation, two things that are important for improving sleep. Lower blood sugar. You can lower your blood sugar by walking for just 15 minutes after you consume a meal. This is wonderful news for those who suffer from diabetes, as well as those who are pre-diabetic. Aids in weight loss. If you want to lose weight, but high-intensity workouts aren't your thing, then you'll be delighted to learn that walking after you eat can help to shrink your waistline. Walking helps to burn calories and is a key factor in getting the blood flowing, maintaining a healthy weight, and living a healthy lifestyle. If you want to increase your overall health and well-being, then just grab a pair of comfortable shoes and take a short walk after you eat a meal. The fresh air will do you wonders, and the motion will activate so many health benefits.